Hello there, this is an honest review of the Shure MV7 USB microphone. And I bought this microphone because I'm always on the call and I work from home. So I also use voice chat and IP phone. So I needed a high quality microphone that is not that expensive. And Shure is one of those companies that makes high quality microphone. Another thing I like about this microphone is this is not only a USB microphone, but this is also a dynamic microphone because you can connect this microphone to your mixer because it has an XLR port and you can connect this directly to your mixer. And there's the micro USB port where you can connect this to your computer to function as a USB microphone. So you can use this microphone as a recording device. Now, this port right here is for the headphones. In case you want to plug in a headphone for you to hear yourself directly from the microphone, you need a 3.5 jack like this. Just plug that in there, and you'll be able to hear yourself directly from the microphone without any delay. Now, the build quality of the microphone is very solid and it's high quality. The body is metal. Everything is metal. There's nothing plastic. Even the head, this head right there, the mesh is metal. The foam head is included in the purchase, and this bracket right here allows you to adjust the angle of the microphone. Once you loosen the thread on both sides, it allows you to change the angle of the microphone where you want it to point. Now, if I plug in the USB cable on the microphone, it gives you a light display. Now, this button right here is the mute button. There's a mute button on it with a red light displaying, meaning it's mute. All you need to do is just press it again and it unmutes the microphone. This lights right here that you see, the green lights in there, that shows the volume level. This level right here tells you how loud the microphone is. This button right here where you can see a microphone and a headphone icon allows you to switch between the microphone and the headphone to adjust the volume. So right now it's on the headphone. Just slide your finger right there and this will allow you to turn up and turn down the volume level of the headphones in case you have a headphone plugged in, and press it again. Now gives you the option to turn up or turn down the volume of the microphone. I also downloaded the software for the MV7 USB microphone, and that allowed me to use more features. And also I use the software to update the microphone to its latest firmware. I really like this microphone and the quality. I'm very satisfied with the quality of this microphone. So I highly recommend this Shure MV7 USB microphone. Thank you.